Okay, so this is going to be a pretty short video. I just wanted to show you how to go in and edit your blog, what it looks like on your site. So here I am. I went down to my pages here and clicked on blog. And I've already set this blog up to match the text in your website. But I just wanted to kind of show you where this information was if you wanted to change some of these settings. So, of course, we already talked about you can click on Manage Posts and write a post from your editor. But But I want to show you here in your settings. So in your blog settings here is where you can show what's displayed. So you can see here I don't have writer's name, published date, reading time, category label, all kinds of different things. If maybe you don't have a lot of views right away, you don't want to maybe have the views or likes on here. So you can go through and decide what you would like shown on here. And then your layout, so you can definitely choose different layouts if you like. You can kind of play around with that and see what you like best. You'll notice on here that there is an option to stretch this to the full width and create margins. So again, you can come through here, these settings, and play around with them, see what you like. And then in the design here is where you would go through and change that text and all of that. And then finally, right here is your post page. So that's going to show you what your post page will look like. And again, same thing. You can come through here and do the same thing you did on that menu. Click on settings and play around with how you want that to look and what settings you want displayed on your blog.